てくれませんか何々でくれませんか How do you use this expression in Japanese language? When you learn Japanese, maybe you know and you heard about how they say about てくれませんか Actually, the てくれませんか is mean that when you want to ask another body to do something for you. For example, you want to say in English like, could you something for me? You can say, 何々ってくれませんか? But in Japanese, you cannot use てくれませんか with everyone. This expression is appropriate when you speaking with the person who have the status equal with you or lower than you. For example, you can say with your friend and your children or your grandson, something like this. You cannot say with your parents or your boss or your manager. You cannot use てくれませんか because if you say in that way, it's not polite. So you should be careful when you use てくれませんか てくれませんか is mean, could you do something for me? So as you see here, if we have this example like this. When your friend goes someone, for example, コンビニへ行ってきます。コンビニへ行ってきます which means I'm going to the convenience store. For example, your friend is going to the convenience store. They will say コンビニへ行ってきます and in that time you want to ask your friend to do something for you, you can say like this. じゃあお弁当を買ってきてくれませんか？じゃあお弁当を買ってきてくれませんか？ So it means that in that case, could you buy a box meal for me? So you can use お弁当買ってきてくれませんか which means could you buy a meal box for me? じゃあ just mean you use with your friend, like your friend or the person that have a status lower than you. So you can say じゃあお弁当を買ってきてくれませんか And this is about how to use てくれませんか In here, we just お弁当買ってきてくれません In here, we just say about for speaking, so we don't use o. But if you want to say in the right grammar, you can say お弁当を買ってきてくれませんか which means you ask your friend or another person that have a low status than you to buy a meal box for you because he or she is going to the convenience store at that time, so you just ask for buy something to you. So when you use, you should remember about how to use. And if you have any question, please comment below. I'll be happy to answer your question. ありがとうございました。